Are you ready to start your poultry journey? I mean, raising baby chicks is very fun, rewarding, and if done very right, it can provide you with healthy, happy chickens for many years to come. So in this video, I will guide you through everything you need to know, from setting up a brooder to feeding up your chicks so that you can get them healthy. Whether you are a first-time farmer or a backyard hobbyist, this step-by-step guide will set you up for success. So welcome back to our channel. This is Corobe Farm, and as always, let me know where you are watching this video from, either the county or the country in case you are out of Kenya. So today I will walk you through the timeless art of raising baby chicks the natural way, of course with a devoted mother hen, and these mother hens will be the heater providers, the protector, and the guide. We are also going to show you how to start from selecting and handling fertile eggs to watching tiny beaks break through the shell to the helping the chicks grow strong. And you will agree with me that this is how farmers have raised flocks for generations. Tell me, how do you raise chicks from your country or from your county in case you are out of Kenya? Do you need many chicks? These chicks, of course, they will give you many chickens or many hens. Now, the first step is choosing and handling eggs. I want you to know that before the chicks even arrive, it begins with the eggs. Choose clean and cracked fertile eggs, preferably laid within the past 7 days. Store them pointed end down in a cool place around 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, and of course then turn them gently once or twice a day. Then if you will wait more than a couple of days before setting them, that is what you have to do. When your hen shows the signs of broodness like mine here, of course they will be staying in the nest, fluffing her feathers, giving that low determined chuck like this one. Carefully slip the eggs beneath her at night when she is very calm. Now this way she will settle over the eggs without stress, and the long wait of the 21 days starts right there. Now dear friends, before we continue, I am culturing fresh, healthy azolla, and I'm telling you, it is thriving. I already use this wonder plant every single day of God to feed my fish and my chickens, and the results are so amazing. Fast fish growth, better egg production, and high quality natural protein. But my pond is already overflowing, and I have plenty of azolla to share with you, my viewers. Now get this rich organic feed at only 300 Kenya shillings per kilogram. Call or text the number right here on your screen and place your order today. Fresh azolla straight from my farm to yours, and your fish and chickens will thank you. Now let us continue. I want you to know that we are doing this in a natural way. We are hatching chicks, and we will show you how to bring those chicks up. So your brood hen is the living brooder, and you must protect that hen with all your everything that you have. You see, you need to provide a quiet, draft-free corner, either a wooden nesting box with fresh straw or some clean dry grass works beautifully. But me, I use very dry soil, mix it with the ash. Then if necessary, place food and fresh water nearby so that the mother hen will not be wandering very far from the eggs. Check the nest daily for broken eggs or maybe soil bedding. A happy broody hen keeps the eggs at just the right warmth, turning them with her beak and guarding them like her golden treasure. So after 21 days, you will hear tiny peeps from within the shells. Now let nature take its course. Don't hurry. Do not rush to help the chicks out. The mother knows when to lend a gentle beak where necessary. Now once hatched, she will tuck them under her warm feathers. No heat lamps are needed here, so don't worry of expensive lamp heads. The hen's body provides the perfect natural temperature for her young ones. I also want you to know that nutrition is very key and very strong for healthy birds. Provide a high quality chick starter feed. This is medicated if recommended in your area to prevent coccidiosis. Ensure fresh, clean water is available 24/7. In fact, water is very essential. You can deny your chicks feeds, but not water. Also in that water, add some small pebbles or chick grit if you plan to introduce treats maybe later. But for us, for me, I use what is called liquid paraffin. Liquid paraffin is very cheap. It is only 50 Kenyan shillings. I don't know how much is 50 Kenyan shillings in your currency, but add some paraffin, liquid paraffin. Now, even in a rustic farmyard, cleanliness is very key. Change the bedding when it becomes damp or soiled, and wash the feeders and the drinkers daily, on a daily basis. Keep an eye out for signs of illness, maybe lethargy, a pest event, or chicks not following their mother as quick as possible. Now, the quick action is that sometimes just a warm, gentle cleaning or consulting a local vet, it can save you a little more chicks. Now, as the days warm and the chicks grow bolder, the mother hen will lead them into the farmyard. They will scratch at the earth, chase insects, and learn the language of the flock. By about 6 weeks, when their feathers are in and they can keep warm alone, they will be ready to join the wider coop, already well trained by their mother. But for us, we have made this simple structure. This is a place where we are raising them together with their mother because of pests and some other animals that come in to eat our chicks, like hawks and foxes. Dear friend, raising baby chicks and a mother hen is a story as old as farming itself. It is a quiet partnership between human and nature. So handle the eggs with care, give your broody hen a safe nest, and watch life unfold in its most natural rhythm. Now, if this guide brought the farm a little closer to you, like, subscribe, and share your own chick raising tales in the comments, and let me know what you have learned and what you are doing at your farm. Here is to healthy flocks and the simple joy of a new life. Until next time, let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.